Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I am leading another hip isolation challenge for you. A couple weeks ago, I uploaded a video to my Instagram and to YouTube Shorts asking if people wanted a tutorial for it, and the overwhelming response was yes, and so today I'm going to be teaching the tutorial for that routine. I will link the music and the video where you can follow along with me in the description box below. I will not be dancing to music in this tutorial for copyright infringement reasons, but once you have learned the routine, you can go to the YouTube short video and watch it on repeat and dance the routine with me with music. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. I'm going to show you from the back. The first 8 counts are going to be step, swing the hip, step, swing, step, swing, step, swing. So the idea behind this particular hip isolation is that when I transfer my weight, I leave the opposite side of my hip lifted and I swing it over after I have transferred my weight. So I go transfer, swing, transfer, swing, transfer, swing, transfer, swing. Okay, so that's the first 8 counts. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm going to do a similar movement. I'm going to transfer my weight again without moving my hip, but now I'm going to do a segmented hip movement. I'm going to go and 2. So I first step, and then I'm going to tilt the pelvis underneath, and then I'm going to tilt it up on that side. So I go step, underneath, up, step, bring it forward, bring it up, and a little bit behind. Step, forward, and step, forward, back into the side. Step, forward, side, step, forward, side, okay? So we're doing that, and the rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and, okay? So from the beginning, I'm going 1, swing, 2, 3, swing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Okay, one more time. 1, swing, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. From here, there's a whistle that starts to come into the song, and I'm going to move my hips with the timing of the whistle. So I'm going to go 1, bum, 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 bum. Okay? So it's going do, 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 do. Okay? Again. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. And this is just forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side. I'm just doing it with the timing of the whistle, okay? So it's forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, boom, boom, okay? The first the second and the third are syncopated, and the rest of them are 1 count each. So I go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then I'm going to do that again. Do, 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 do. Okay? So I go do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay? So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's a rolling. Roll, roll, and step, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So I did 2 slow rolls, and when I do this, I'm really trying to accent the tailbone going up as it comes around. So I'm going slow up, slow lift. Okay? Really lifting the tailbone instead of just doing like circle, circle. I'm thinking lift and lift, okay? And then I step out. Back pulse, back pulse, back, 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 okay? So in this continuous pulse, I'm not going back and forward and back and forward. I'm going up and up and up and up. And when I do this, in order to do this in a way that it doesn't look stiff, I need to get to the highest point that I can allow my pelvis to go to without shifting the rest of the spine, and then just let it kind of rebound back into neutral. So I'm just allowing the natural rebound to kind of continue to create the same dynamic in the pelvis. So I'm not going and up, and up, and up. I'm not trying to control it so much. I'm just allowing it to continue to kind of bounce from up here back into neutral and like that, okay? So I'm going up, up, bum, as I move over here. And then when I see you, I can fall in, I'm creating a circle, and I'm gonna go love, 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 and I'm doing that 7 times, okay? I can fall in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 7th one, I'm gonna come out with a circle, okay? So I could fall in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, circle, and then I'm going to reverse the circle, okay? So in this, I'm going back and around and rebound. And I'm actually just going to keep the feet on the ground as I do this. So I'm here. Fall in, love, 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 love. And here, I'm going to turn the heel in, turn it in, circle in the other direction, turn it in, circle, turn it in, circle, okay? Let's go ahead and go from the beginning through to that point. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slow roll, slow, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When I see you, I can fall in love, 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 love. One more, and circle, and circle, and circle, and. Okay? Let's do that one more time and then we'll finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, roll, and roll, and 1, 2, boom, 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 see you, I can fall in love, 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 and heel, circle, heel, circle, heel, circle, heel. From here, I'm going to go and out, and in, and out, and in, and when I come in, I'm going to turn that into a hip circle to the left. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, circle, 3, and 4. And that's it. Okay, let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, circle, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I see you, I can fall in love, 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 and heel, circle, heel, circle, heel, circle, heel, out, in, circle, 3 and 4, and then from there you can improvise with the rest of the song, okay? One more time, and then I will leave you to practice and then do it with me with music, either on YouTube Shorts or on Instagram, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 6, 7, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slow, and boom, 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 boom. When I see you, I can fall in love, 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 and in, circle, in, circle, in, circle, in, out, in, circle, 3 and 4. Okay? And that is the routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I don't know about you, but I'm sweating. Hip isolations are a fantastic way to get exercise without really realizing that you are and doing it to music and enjoying yourself. So practice the routine, do it with music. If you feel up to it, send me a video or upload a video and tag me in it. I love to see you all dancing. And until next time, keep dancing.